Alright, hold her. Go sit and hold her. Thank you. Big sister duty, yay. No, just being a bad mother all around. Should have had dinner cooked a long time ago. That way I could hold my newborn and not put it off on my 8-year-old and call it sister duty. How y'all put up with me and my loudmouth children? Cause when I go back and watch my videos, I'm like, gosh, couldn't she tell the kids to be quiet or something? I don't have much footage to give to you guys today. I know I'm like really sorry. I couldn't find my camera and I didn't just not want to give you guys a vlog for like 2 days, because guess what? My channel is growing. Like, I was finally able to take my subscriber count off private, because I felt like, you know, if I have like a low amount of subscribers, ain't nobody gonna be like, oh, let's subscribe to her. But I was able to take it off private because I feel proud of my number now. It's not just a little tiny number anymore. It's a good 3-digit number. Look at my man. Say hi. Say hi. She's such a darling baby. Just a darling baby. Yes. So could you get that thing out my face, please? Get that thing out of my face, mommy. Get it out of my face, please. I love her. Her sister loves her.
I put lip gloss on
her. Her brother loves her. We all love her.
I put lip gloss on her. I'm 4 years old. This one, mommy.
No, you're not.
Mommy, it's clear.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know just how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Hi guys, so welcome to another day of Vlogmas day. I don't know what day it is because I skipped a day because I couldn't find my camera. And I know the lighting is not that great. Ooh, mad, don't do that. I know the lighting is not that great. And I know there's a crying baby. I know there's a crying baby. Mommy. But I'm trying my best to comfort her. Oh, you want to hold her? Okay. Gentle. She's over there with her sister. Good girl. So I don't feel like cooking, guys. I don't feel like cooking. I know we have a lot of leftovers. I don't think Daddy wanna eat that. Oh my gosh! So, guys, guess what? I finally figured out my setting on my camera. Like, I don't know why I've been filming on the setting I've been filming. She went to sleep, guys. She's so precious when she sleeps. Let me show you guys her. So precious when she sleeps. Feel like cooking. You ever had one of those days where you just don't feel like cooking? I have those days every day. I have those days every day. Every flipping day I don't feel like cooking. And I don't want to cook. And I don't feel like cooking. And I don't want to cook. And I don't feel like cooking. And I argue with myself. And I go back and forth. And I don't want to cook. And I don't want to do that. And then my husband comes home and he's like, what are you doing here all day long? Why you couldn't cook us some food? And I'm like, do I come to your job and boss you around and tell you what to do? No, I don't. So you don't get to come home and tell me what to do, okay? Don't come home and tell me what to do, alright? I don't go to your job and tell you what to do. I don't go to your job and say, hey, honey, you're slacking off. You need to be doing this. No, you don't come up in my workplace. I'm gonna go put this camera down and start cooking before my boss gets home. Okay, guys, I haven't pumped in a few days, and my milk production is going down. Like really going down, and I'm like kind of worried about it. I'm kind of worried about it. Hi. I love you.
I love you too.
I know you do. Aww.
No!
Shh. Maddie's sleeping. Jason's sleeping too. Thing is, if you guys pray or believe in the power of praying, please pray for our family, because my husband's company sold. Well, the owners sold the company to another company, and even though it's a bigger company, stop. Even though it's a bigger company, my husband is still worried about his job. It's not that the company that he worked for was a small family company, and you know, he worked for them for a long time. So anyways, yeah, just pray for our family right now, and that's it. So anyways, I'm gonna go cook and then put Madison's clothes in the dryer and get on that, and then do this little video, put it up. It's not really a vlog because, yeah, so like it's like, look at this one right here. That's it?
Yeah. Wait.
Jordan, show them your eyelashes.
They're big.
Close your eyes.
My eyes are big.
We can't really see it.
Jump down.
Okay, so we're going to feed her. Put the bottle in the mouth. No. Pull out a little bit. Okay, let her realize that she has a nipple. Okay, she's eating, guys. Don't mind the stain on my shirt. It's just don't come for me.
My friend Carla gave this to me. My friend Carla. Shop? What did you buy? Nothing. She just gave it to me because I gave her a pop. I bought 2 things.
What did y'all buy from the?
I bought my friend gave me $1, Brody. I bought nothing too.
You bought nothing? Oh wow.
My friend.
Did you go to the Christmas shop?
No.
No.
I went to the holiday shop.
The holiday shop?
I spent $3.
Oh, what was there?
Toys. The toys.
Just toys.
And number 1.
Oh, okay.
No, you better get it. It's almost finished.
Almost finished?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cause my friend Brody, I had rock, so he owed me $1.
Mommy.
And I had 1 quarter. I'm gonna $3 tomorrow. Mommy. Mommy owed me.
Little face.
Daddy owed me like
Mommy. Can I help you?
I couldn't get toy motorcycle, but I can't buy it.
You can't buy it? Why?
I want to buy it.
Okay, how do you purchase it? You don't know?
You just drive it.
Huh?
You just drive it.
You need money to purchase.
No. Yeah.
No?
Some are 56 cents. You can buy the cars, the little cars.
Okay. Let me go finish.
Don't mind me.
Guys,
I'm getting a football too.
You getting a football?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
You gonna get it for me?
Me.
Did you say hi to the sunshines?
Hi, Sunshine. I was going to give you a number one. I'm going to get.
Did you tell me you have a birthday coming up?
Yes,
in January? Who has a birthday in January?
Mommy.
Jaxson. He will be 5.
I was going to do a number one dad.
I'm gonna go feed Maddie and then I'll be right back. I promise, guys.
Okay.
I have ground beef. And I'm going to just do some meat sauce. And I have some penne pasta. Penne? Is that how you call it? Penne pasta? I have some penne pasta that I'm going to throw in some hot water. And then after that's cooked, I'm going to take the penne pasta and slap it on a plate. And then just slap the meat sauce on it and call it a day. Put some cheese on it. Fancy it up a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. See, now the baby's up. The baby's up. And that would be my opportunity to say, hey, the baby's been crying all day. And I had to held her. Held her? What? You can tell I'm Jamaican because I'll be making up all kind of English words that's not in the dictionary. And don't even... No, that don't make sense. What was I saying again? I've been taking, guys, seriously. I've been taking Benadryl for the cough. Because, you know, my husband said I'm allergic to the cat. And I was like, okay, I'm allergic to the cat, so let's go get some Benadryl. So I got some Benadryl, and I've been taking it 2 nights in a row. And I think it's working. Because the cough is like, a little bit subtler. Is that a word? Subtle? Subtle. The cough is it's not so rough. It's not so violent. Like, it's more like, you know, more... ladylike. Like I don't sound like I'm dying. So yeah, that's that. And this dog, I wish I was allergic to the dog so I could get rid of the dog, because that thing is destructive. It ate up our carpet. And yeah, that's more ladylike, right? But the dog chewed up our carpet. And yeah, feed the cat. She been sitting over there by the bowl waiting for some food. You see the cat over there? She wants a little bit of food. And she's like, y'all people ain't feeding me. She's just laying by her bowl. It's sad. But we should not be in charge of nobody animals. Like for real, for real. We shouldn't be in charge of no living things. Oops. But anyway, oh, violent! I tell you that. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I need my. Maybe it's time for Benadryl time. I'm gone, people. I'm gone. So watch me cook this breakfast. Watch me cook this dinner. No, I'll see you guys later because I need to go edit this. Ow! Ow! Maddie's up.
I know.
Maddie's up? Go get her and hold her.
Okay.
Alright, hold her. Go sit and hold her. Thank you. Big sister duty. Yay. No, just being a bad mother all around. Should have had dinner cooked a long time ago. That way I could hold my newborn and not put it off on my 8-year-old and call it sister duty.
I'm 9.
No, you're 8. You might want to slow your little roll down. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog today. No, it's not a vlog. It's a rant. Thank you guys so much for watching this rant. Even though you can see that I didn't even wash my face. I didn't even wash my face. Call me what you may. I don't care. I don't care. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will... But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, where I'm actually going to pick up the camera from morning until night to give you guys a 12-minute video. Bye.